Many of the products that you saw throughout the course of today from Boeing and others, actually, some of those products are produced in Moberly, Orscheln Industries. So if you've heard of the name Orscheln, you probably have thought of them as farm and tool implement supply stores that you see on the corners of your towns. Well, they do much more than that. In fact, we're going to see inside Orscheln Industries and hear from some of the team members there at Orscheln's next.
Hello, I'm Jeff Jones, President and COO of Orscheln Products, and welcome to our Manufacturing Day. We're happy to have you here today, and I hope you get a lot out of today and you become intrigued enough that you'll pursue a career in manufacturing. Here at Orscheln Products, we offer a wide variety of opportunities for careers, from assembly to welding to robot operation to engineering to HR, sales, marketing, purchasing, you name it. That's one of the things I love about manufacturing, is because you have so many opportunities to grow. I've personally been blessed to have spent most of my career in manufacturing and enjoyed every minute of it. So I feel very blessed with the opportunities that I've had personally. At Orscheln Products, we design and manufacture a lot of different products for a lot of different applications, many of which are safety related. We make products for airplanes, for buses, for trucks, for tanks, for boats, agriculture, and construction equipment. So we make a wide variety of products for a wide variety of markets. So we're blessed with that. And we take great pride in the products that we serve and in the markets that we serve. And anyone who works here could do the same. We're very proud of the products that we make. And we have a lot of fun doing it. We have a family atmosphere that's very team oriented. We keep our employees engaged and involved. So as you consider your future, I hope you consider manufacturing as an opportunity. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day with the Orscheln presentation.
I'm Bob Orscheln, and I'm CEO of Orscheln Products. Orscheln started with the invention of the over-the-center parking brake, still used today. My grandfather and his brothers were farmers. The business wasn't going so well, and one day a grocer in one town asked them to take some bread to another town. That started Orscheln truck lines. They had some problems with their parking brakes, and the truck ran into the Missouri River. That caused Al to invent that parking brake. Our current markets are heavy-duty truck, agriculture, construction, aerospace, military, and marine. Our major products are electronic shift controls and mechanical shift controls, FLIs, parking brakes obviously, actuators, control cables, push-pull. It's a controls business, and as it stands, about 80% of those controls are safety critical. Every product that we produce, we treat it like it's going to go in our vehicle. Our kids would be at risk. In some cases, we are driving these vehicles, so we want safety to be number one. There's no way we will ever sacrifice quality for a sale. As part of our vision, our mission, we have to absolutely continue to change and get better. My grandfather and his brothers were willing to take significant risk to build this business today. I'm third generation. We have challenges ahead of us, but we have a team that's willing to meet them. We're about solving problems. So give us those opportunities and we'll do a great job for you.
Orscheln Products has designed and manufactured solutions for aerospace and defense for 75 years. Orscheln is dedicated to providing the aerospace sector with standard products and custom-designed solutions. Struts and hold-open rods provide superior performance during ground operations. Flight control cables are designed to meet the demanding needs of aircraft specifications and testing requirements. Orscheln has a wide range of standard and custom control cables. Many core and conduit combinations are available based on the load and efficiency needed. Metallic and polymer materials are designed with lightweight and long-life performance factors in mind. Each push-pull or ball bearing cable is 100% tested according to strict FAA requirements. Orscheln designs custom cable and control mechanisms to meet OEM expectations. Our in-house testing lab has wide capabilities such as vibration, extreme temperature, cyclic, and environment. Contact Orscheln Products for high-performance value solutions for your defense and aerospace equipment programs.
My name is Sarah Tosin. I like working at Orscheln's because the people are friendly. The work is not hard. I can walk across the street instead of driving if I wanted to. What else was it?
How many years have you been here?
I've been here 46 years.
What made you stick around for 46 years?
The money's good. The atmosphere is good.
What do you think it takes to be a good employee to work here?
Just doing your work and being here when you're supposed to. Not missing a lot of days.
Good.
And just, anticipating in a lot of stuff.
Orscheln has designed and produced reliable, safety-critical control solutions for OEM commercial vehicles since 1946, leveraging over 70 years of transportation industry experience and success. Today, OEMs are challenged to develop the next generation of zero-emission vehicles. Orscheln makes it easy with our proven solutions. Reduce your total cost of ownership with Orscheln driver controls, throttles, brake and accelerator pedal clusters, shift selectors, park brake systems, mechanical controls, and coolant fluid transfer tubes. You can use these tested and field-proven solutions for your zero-emission vehicles, reducing your development time. Look to Orscheln for design, testing, validation, and manufacturing to provide comprehensive powertrain solutions for your commercial vehicles globally. Let's work together towards a greener future. Get started at orschelnproducts.com.
What I like about working at Orscheln's is it's a family-oriented business. They really look out for the people. We're not just a clock number. They do a lot of extra stuff to make sure the people are comfortable. I've worked here 18 years. They do promote from within. That's how I got into the supervisor's job that I'm in now. There's 2 other supervisors that has been promoted within, and I think that's a big plus.
Hi guys, welcome to Manufacturing Day 2021. My name's Lindsay Land and I'm the HR recruiter and coordinator here at Orscheln Products in Moberly. Just as Jeff mentioned earlier, we have a ton of great opportunities available here at Orscheln Products. Just as a few examples, some of the current positions that we have open are purchasing manager, warehouse operator, software engineer, manufacturing electrical engineer, assembly operators, expediter positions. The possibilities truly are endless. Even if you're not sure what you want to do after high school, or you don't plan to pursue your education after you get out of high school, we have positions that are available at an entry level that allows you to get your foot in the door at a great company and work your way up from there if you want to. We also have opportunities available if you're home over the summers from college and are looking for a good summer job. We have those opportunities available for you as well. We would love to talk to you about the career options that we have here at Orscheln Products. So reach out if you think you're interested. Have a great day.
Excellent. And now we're going to go right into Orscheln Industries in Moberly, Missouri with some of their team. Kim Gittimer, who is the Director of Human Resources, and Jeff Jones, President of Orscheln's. Jeff, welcome to Manufacturing Day 2022.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning. Thanks for the opportunity to speak to you this morning. I hope you're getting a lot out of it. We're certainly happy to be able to speak to you about manufacturing. As I said in the video, it's been great for me. I've been in manufacturing for over 40 years, and I have advanced from an entry-level position to president of a company. And I've had a lot of different experiences through that time that I've thoroughly enjoyed it. And as we said, there's plenty of opportunities that you can go with. Whatever career path you decide, there's probably something you can do in manufacturing. As a gentleman said before, you could be an accountant or a lawyer or a machinist or a robot programmer or machine builder, or there's just endless opportunities, I think, in manufacturing. So I hope you truly give that consideration. And at Orscheln's, we're a 75-year-old company. We're family owned. We have roughly 500 people globally. We are an international company with locations in the States and Europe and India. And we recently got back into screw machine business. We use about a little over 5 million screw machine parts a year. So we're now manufacturing those as well, which we're excited about that. I'm happy to answer any questions you have.
Yeah, great. And thanks so much, Jeff. I've had the pleasure of visiting Orscheln's. It's just amazing to see, not just the diversity of the products you make, because I know there's certain areas of Orscheln's that are kind of blocked out. You can't see them because it's some of the defense industry. And then you have, different products that actually go in every school bus that most of the students ride in and out on to school each day on. So it's really a neat place that you guys got up there. And but we do have a couple questions coming in. One of our students asked, on average, how many parts are produced in one day there at Orscheln's?
I haven't really thought about it that way.
That's a good question.
He thinks in sales dollars.
Yeah, and I can tell you, we ship about 300 different orders a day. But I really hadn't put it. Really, depends on what the product is in the mix. We have such a huge mix of product, and one shipment may be sold in feet, where it may be 5 miles on one reel, and in other cases it may be we're sending one part that has got just as much value as that 5 mile part did. So it really, volume is I guess it kind of depends on what the product is. So like for our pedal box assemblies for a golf cart customer, we send 500, roughly 500 a day of that product, so if fluid level indicators is probably in the neighborhood of 3,000 a day. Just, it really depends on the product. But
wow, excellent. We got another question coming in. Can you give us an idea of the salary ranges for a couple of the positions, either entry level and engineer?
So an entry level, say for a production, starts at $16.50 per hour. And there is shift differential if you work one of the off shifts. For an engineering position, you're probably starting somewhere around 55, depending on skill and knowledge, and depending on what area of engineering you're going to start with.
Okay. And then I would think you guys also hire some skilled trade professionals, welders, technicians actually work on the machines. Are they a little bit different on their pay structures?
Yes. Sure. So they're going to start probably at minimum of 18 and continue to grow up to somewhere around $25, $26 an hour.
Okay. Excellent. And then do you offer tuition reimbursement there, or any type of kind of help in training and upskilling?
Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah. And we also do, excuse me, a lot of training internally as well too. So you don't have to come, in many cases we'll train you to the job. I think one of the gentlemen earlier said, we're really, if you have ambition and motivation, there really is no, cap to what you can do and where you can go.
No, not at all. And it seems like that is pervasive, what we're hearing across every manufacturer today. If you have a good, strong work ethic and you want to do well every day and put in the best product that you could possibly put in, then you're going to do well and grow. And the company will help support you. And that's obviously the case at Orscheln. If that young lady you had there at the beginning, 46 years, wow, that's a long time in a company. I mean, that shows the dedication of Orscheln's to her and vice versa.
Yeah, she achieved 50 years this year.
Yeah.
Oh, she did. Wow, that's awesome.
Yes, so that is quite the milestone. She is our first manufacturing employee to reach that.
Oh my gosh. Well, congratulations to her.
We have one more question. Several over 40 though.
Yeah.
Getting close to that, huh? We have another question that came in from a teacher. Ms. Carball asked, what are you looking for, skills, education, character, when you look to hire somebody? Good
Yeah, that's
question.
a good question. I think it really depends on the role that individual wants to go into. Obviously, if they want to go into an engineering role, we prefer that they had an engineering degree or at least some engineering classes and some background there. Then we can help train them and help them with getting further educated. If it's a entry level person, math skills are important. Being able to read blueprints is important. Excuse me, measurement tools are good. But again, we will assist with all those types of tools.
In addition, being positive, willing to ask
Yeah.
questions, willing to do multiple tasks. We find sometimes we hire people and they just want to do this one task. Well, it's a greater asset to the company if they are willing to move around and gain their skill and truly be an overall team player.
Absolutely. I think the positive attitude is key across really any
Yes.
industry. If you're not
Positive
positive
attitude
walking
and
in,
willing to come to work. Attendance is essential function of the job.
you hear that, kids? You got to show up. It's just like if you're going to play a sport, if you don't hit the field, you're not going to make the scores. All right. Well, thank you so much, guys, from Orscheln for zooming in today for Manufacturing Day. It's great to have you once again. And we look forward to seeing you in person, hopefully next year for Manufacturing Day 2023.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That would be great. Thanks for having us. Appreciate it.